Hey there, I'm Luke, and today I want to show you what I ate this past week. I was supposed to eat 5 days of Taco Bell, but I just could not do it. But the first day, I had a black bean Crunchwrap, a cheesy Fiesta potatoes, a beefy 5-layer burrito, an iced Cinnabon coffee, which is amazing, a beefy potato loaded griller, and it totaled $10.16. Absolutely delicious. 10 million out of 10 million recommend. The second day, I had a mini taco salad, an avocado ranch chicken stacker, a cheesy double beef burrito, a chips and nacho supreme dip, and a bunch of salsa and mild sauce both days. Absolutely freaking delicious. 10 million out of 10 million. I love the taco salad and the avocado ranch chicken stacker with the breakfast salsa. Absolutely phenomenal. But I do have a question. What makes salsa breakfast salsa? I had never even realized that until I was eating this. And I also had Taco Bell the next day. Now, you guys, this day was the most expensive. The first day was $10.16. The second day was $10.70. This day, I had the chicken nuggets and an agua fresca and some other things, and it was like $12, almost $13. And honestly, I was just hungry afterward. I had a black bean chalupa and a crunchy taco, and I don't know. By this time, it's like the nuggets were absolutely delicious. I just think that they're too expensive, and that price was after a 20% off coupon. I ended up getting a cheesy bean and rice burrito.
Okie dokie, you guys. Day one, absolutely phenomenal, fabulous, fantastic. I love the Build Your Own Online Cravings box. It is such an amazing deal, and I love the Cinnabon, whatever you say, the coffee. 10 out of 10 recommend. Day numero dos. You guys, we had a whole bunch of stuff from the Lux Craving menu. The freaking taco salad, honestly, that, and then the ranch chicken stacker, those might be my two favorites. And the stacker with the breakfast salsa, which I don't understand. Why is salsa breakfast? Somebody tell me about that. I have no idea why. But day one, 10 out of 10. Day two, 10 out of 10. Maybe both of them 100 out of 10. But today, I don't know. I was like kind of close to like not wanting to eat it, but it wasn't like bad, so I couldn't like send it back. I just don't really think that I vibe with the nacho fries anymore. I remember them tasting a lot different. These ones tasted almost like sugary. Like it was almost like there was like almost like someone had accidentally put like cinnamon sugar, like from the cinnamon twists, onto the fries. But like they were just like really, really sweet. But if you add mild taco sauce to the cheese, I think it kind of balances it out and it tastes pretty good. The aguas fresca, you guys, first of all, Taco Bell drinks, like their fancy drinks, are not, in my opinion, worth it unless you're upcharging like a meal. So full price, the aguas frescas thing is like $4 or something. But I only paid 80 cents for it. It was okay. But, I mean, I really wanted a freeze, but this location was out of the freezes tonight, I guess. And then the nuggets, absolutely freaking... The nuggets themselves are 15 out of 10 delicious. I just think they're kind of expensive. This was my most expensive meal out of the first 3 days. And I feel the least satisfied, if that makes sense.
And Wednesday, I had a full-blown mental breakdown, so we went to Sprouts to get some delicious, tasty food. I had these pizza crackers, a chicken salad sandwich with avocado from the deli, this little really cute freeze-dried popsicle. You guys, this thing was only 49 cents, and then I had an anniversary 70 cents off, so I got it for literally free. 2 of these lactose-free canned milkshakes. They were buy one, get one free. The dark chocolate is phenomenal. That was $13.79. And then the next day, I had this acai bowl and this pasta salad for $5.61 from another Sprouts in the Valley. Editing Luke and Frapjacks here. And I think that it's also worth noting that this video, my videos lately have been like going out to eat videos. But, like, the free food that I eat, like, at work throughout the day, like, this week of filming, I also had 4 hot dogs. 2 of them were on Thursday, and then 2 of them were on Tuesday, I believe. I absolutely love Sprouts. If I had the money to, I would eat lunch there every single day. I hope that you guys found some inspiration from this. Have a great week.